everyone, welcome back to Data Studio4U. This video is about comparison of bus brands from different countries of the world. So let's start. Bus brand from Australia is Bolwell. Bus brand from United States is Chevrolet. Bus brand from United States is Cadillac. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Car brand from United States is Buick. These are famous car brands from different countries of the world. Next, bus brand from United States is Buick. Bus brand from United Kingdom is Aston Martin. These are famous bus brands from different countries of the world. Next brand is Jaguar. Bus brand from United Kingdom is Jaguar. From which country you are watching our video? Tell us in comment section below. Next one, United Arab Emirates. Bus brand from United Arab Emirates is W Motors. Which bus brand do you like the most? Share with us in comment section below. Next, bus brand from United Kingdom is Jaguar. Bus brand from United Arab Emirates is W Motors. Bus brand from Vietnam is VinFast. Which bus brand do you like the most? Tell us in comment section below. Bus brand from Sweden is Polestar. Next one, South Korea. Bus brand from South Korea is Genesis. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bus brand from Spain is Cupra. Which brand is best? Share with us in comment section below. Bus brand from Japan is Yamaha. Next one, Mastrita. Bus brand from Mexico is Mastrita. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. These are famous bus brands of the world. Bus brand from Japan is Toyota. Next one, Japan. Bus brand from Japan is Acura. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos and click the bell icon. Next one, Datsun. Bus brand from Japan is Datsun. Next one, Mazda. Bus brand from Japan is Mazda. If you like our video, share with us in comment section. Thanks for watching.